Good evening. So I thank you for the opportunity to present my startup to you. Our startup. Me and Vivek Pateshwari, my partner, both started this. And today we already just had a ceremony for its launch. So no, I thought it would be a good idea to introduce everyone. We want to do it before the launch, but then there were some time constraints. So what basically this startup is about is it's an online platform where we are creating profiles. We are listing people. By people, I mean we are talking about intellectuals, celebrities, entertainers, a very wide spectrum of people who people can invite into or bring into their events. So it can be just for entertainment or knowledge sharing. So as we go in details, you will get to know more about it. So this is the small team that we have. Myself and Vivek. We are both from IITs and IIMs. And in fact, the whole idea emerged from the experiences that we had while we were students. And then also after that, when Vivek specially went into the marketing department of various companies, we saw that it's not so easy to get connected to people, even in this world of internet. When you talk about connecting to celebrities or CEOs or successful people like that, it's not easy. There's no direct channel to do it. There's no proper way to do it. So we wanted to create a platform that makes it easy for people. So right now, when you talk about connecting with somebody and bringing them to your event, you have these different ways to do it. Right? You will go to your friends, your alumni, if you're in college, or family members. You will try to find out who these people, who are the people who you can approach. Then you have social media. That is another way. Or you can search for the websites, Google it. Or you can go to some EMCs, event management companies or agencies who do this kind of work. They'll help you out. But the problem that comes in when you choose any of these ways are these. One, how many choices do you have? Right? If you go through personal contacts or even through EMCs, they will give you a particular limited number of people that they can engage with. Then in case of EMCs, how do they charge? What are their commission models? How much do they charge? There's no transparency involved. And usually it can be a lot. Then multiple tabs. Basically, what we are meaning to say is, if you do it on your own, if you go Google, try to find out more people, more options, it takes a lot of time. And then accessibility. If you want to put some particular person, it might be difficult to reach that person. You might find some other options, but not that particular option over there. So we are trying to address these issues. Now these are the different kind of events that we are looking into. Basically, almost every event can be categorized among these. So we have personal events, college events, corporate events, restaurants and pubs, the events that happen over there, non-profit events, and even endorsement events. Now, on our marketplace, Invite My Guest, these are the broad categories of people that we are looking at. So we have entrepreneurs, comedians, magicians, writers, actors, singers, dancers, MCs, sports people, inspiration people, so folk artists, EMCs, a very wide variety of people. So we have given a terminology to this whole system, that hosts are the people, the event organizers basically, who want to invite people or guests to their events. And invite is the term that we are using for sending inquiries to basically identify that what are terms and conditions under which that person will be coming to the event. That horizontal line is showing the whole process. Basically, host will send invitations, the guest will send quotations or terms and conditions, and then there will be some negotiations and the deal will be closed, and then the guest can perform at the event or attend the event. Now, we also have a social angle over here, that what we are trying to do with this startup. One is that India is a huge country with a lot of hidden talent. So we have people who do not have much recognition, but they can, if given a chance, they can do a lot. So we are trying to find those kind of people and bring them on the platform, give them some visibility. Then one category among those could be record holders. Then we have distinguished achievers who do not get much media highlight. Then a lot of reality TV participants and winners. A lot of inspirational people that we want to bring in, and bravehearts who have a story to tell that people might take interest in. Another angle to see is the corporate world. Like as I mentioned, if you try to reach to a CEO, some corporate leaders or entrepreneurs, obviously their email addresses and contact details are private. But what people will do is they will try to get that from somewhere. They will shoot emails to them indiscriminately and try to invite them into their events. The problem there is that there's a lot of spamming, and then it becomes difficult to manage those invitations. So here we are trying to create a platform where when we create the profiles, the emails, the details go to the right channel, the right person. So far, in the last 4-5 months, we have helped out a lot of institutes in conducting so many events. We have done some TEDx events, Literati in IIT Delhi, in Esperanza in IIT Delhi. We had Carpe Diem in IIM Kolkata, Thomso in IIT Roorkee. We already have some corporate connections also. We have worked with Ola, Make Love Not Scars, Surya, IIM Network, Safe Express. So some of the guests on our platform, you can maybe recognize some of the faces. We have Milkha Singh here, Piyush Chawla, Chetan Bhagat, so very wide variety of people, even some actresses, models over here. Shazia Ilmi is there. Some bands like Indian Ocean. Some comic artists also. Now, this is the media highlight that we have received so far. We have been featured on Your Story and IIM Kolkata. So basically the idea is that we have just launched today, and we are very new in the market. We are trying to do something that we think that will contribute to the society in a positive way. We are trying to bring some new people on the platform, and we would like you to visit the website and share your feedback with us.